Hello, friends. How are you to all? Hope you are all doing great. So, today we are talking about very important stuff. In this particular lecture, we will go for the system design, how particular things will work, how actually work happen in the industry, how any software work in the industrial space, how different departments work. We will understand all the things with the help of schema, and for that uh, we use the SQL as well. We use the SQL and certain type of schemas to rectify and understand and to detect the different problems in the industry, and we understand the data structure algorithm of SQL as well. So we understand SQL, we understand the schema, we understand the system design, we understand what is the particular thing software actually do, and how software increases the efficiency in the particular space. So this is all we are going to explore in this particular world. And what is the basic? If I talk about me, if I talk about the software, what is the basic? What is the most basic thing software does for the industry? What is the most basic thing software done for yourself? Is it increases the standardization, decreases the uncertainty, reduces the causality behind the failure, and increases the causality behind the successful product manufacturing. So this is the whole thing actually software do. Why? How software do? Because software is a standardized format. If 2 plus 2 is given into the software, it always give the 4. So software is a standardized format. Software helps in the standardization process. Uh, if we use the GPay, then everything, transaction ID and all this stuff is captured. And if it is captured, then we can say that this particular person paid me during this particular date at this particular second. So everything can be standardized. We get the money or not. We got money from this person or not. We can prove it. Otherwise, the fakeness is so highly profound into the industry. So, to deal with the fakeness and increase the certainty of the product, increase the standardization of product, and repetitively, reproducibly, continuously achieve the highest amount of efficiency and quality without without spending the much money, we have to actually go for the software for it. So, uh, before understanding the software, what we have to understand the industrial process. We have to we have to understand the industrial prospect of it. So, how we will gonna understand? We have to first understand how different department is connected with each other. So we will see one schema and then we solve the problems of SQL, because problem solving is very important, and approaching the problems is very important. I don't know the question. We will read together. We will try to find the outcome together. I don't know I'm able to figure out or not, but we will read together. So let's start our journey. So let me share my screen, and definitely it will give opportunity to see the great journey of it. So here we have to complete my own assignments. So assignments are given total 14 problem we are going to solve. I don't know how much problem we going to solve together in this particular video. Let's see. So these are the 14 problem. Certain order 3, K customer details, H&W names, all expectation. So these are the particular things. These are the total 14 different type of problems. What we gonna do in this particular video is we try to solve one or two problems into from the it, and first we will understand the schema, how schema is working. and how everything is connected in the industrial space. So let so these are the some details are given. These are the fields name, order IDs, customer ID, payment ID, order date, shipper ID, uh, delivery date, total order amount. But first we understand the schema. This is a system architecture, how the software system actually operate and how a different thing is connected to each other. So these are all the tables which is stored in one database. So if you see the different tables, like just see the different table in the customer ID, in the customer in the customer's table, customer ID is given. Customer ID looks like hopefully yeah, customer ID looks like a certain numbers. Then first name of the person should be a varchar. The 30 characters can be involved into the we limited in the 30 character. Uh, one entry will be there as in the software. Last name 30 character. Date of birth, daytime. Daytime is the particular data type in the SQL. If we just give the daytime, what will actually happen is if we just give the daytime, what will actually happen is in this particular way, the date and time, date in a format like year, month, day, year, month, and day, and then hour, minute, and second. In this particular way, the daytime is being calculated. Sorry for the inconveniencing. Um, then the city name should be there. Custom if we will capture every detail of the customer, like city, state, country, postal code. And in the software there are one another system, like if we just include the city, then it just show the options in postal code, like which particular things are like if my city is Ahmedabad, the only postal code which is connected with Ahmedabad should be shown on the into the entry. Then the phone number, email, date entered. This all the things we have to capture from the customer. When we use the customer ID, and if they done some orders before, then order ID, payment ID, payment ID also generated, one day order date, shipper date, uh, ship date, delivery date, total order amount, all the data is captured into the software. So with the help of payment ID, we will get that uh, which type of payment the customer is done. Like customers done payment through the credit card or net banking or or cash on delivery, how they done the payment through check or any other stuff. So this all the things is organized into the software. If we see the shipping date, then the shipping date give the idea about which company is involved in shipping and how particular parcel is processed and go to the one particular one particular place to another location, and how the entire journey go through. We can track the particular thing, and the more important thing, like if you see the city, state, and country, in a recent software, what actually happened in the recent software is like uh, the customer should not manually type the city and the country and the postal code. As long as it uh, click on the location button, the API is connected with the Google. So Google Maps API detect which particular location is this and what is the particular postal code is available into it. So it reduces the uh, vagueness and increases the efficiency, the fast scale. So your 1 minute work can happen in seconds. In the same way, like uh, for the shipping date, sometimes weight should be calculated. If one machine is connected with the software, then when we go give the weight to the machine, like it is automatically generated and displayed into software. So then this type of the technology is so common in right now world, but still some companies also need ERP solutions as well. So because mm, I worked on a one pharma IT software company and tried to implement in a one pharma company. I'm not taking name here. So this particular company is still has a lot of paperwork and maximum thing is quite vague. So they need a software uh, and we have to solve all the problems and increase the certainty as well. So in this way, we can get the idea. Then if we even see the more dynamic things, then then the shipping thing is connected with the shipper ID. Then then order ID is connected with the product ID, category ID, subcategory, brand, sales price. All the things are mentioned into the software. This is the power of software. Category block. Category block is connected with category name. This particular product is the which category's product. Like why the software is important? Because there are a lot of information is accessed before we purchase anything. Let's say we purchase the laptop. What we will actually see in the laptop? We will see the RAM. We will see the processor. We will see the graphical user interface. We will see the GPU. We will see the TPU. We will actually see the keyboard is backlit or not. What is the touchpad? What is the web camera quality? What is the audio quality? How much fans are there if we are purchasing some gaming laptop? It is gaming laptop or business laptop? What is the difference between it? Uh, what is the difference between it? How the quality and the material used into the particular laptop. So there are a lot of type of information. This is the information which is present in the text format into the Amazon website. Then Amazon website also give the information regarding how videos looks, how actually it use the three imaginary. Like if your desk is there, how it's on your desk. So it's the 3D AI model, and your it shows that okay, your it will fit on your desk in this particular way. So we getting video format information. Then see the video on the YouTube. This also the video for information. You will see that the different category in the Amazon. We will compare it together. We will identify the product. The same things actually happen in the industry. When any product is purchased, it required go through the lot of process. Because if the product is having the price of 2 crore, then industry is not just a treat money like they can spend anything on anyone. They also have the shortage of the money. So, so every asset they try to buy, it should be value for money. It should increase their efficiency. It should increase the quality standard. It should give the opportunity to thrive into the market space. When all the things happen, then and then company can thrive. So they need a lot of data for it. Without the data, just 1 minute. Just one. Okay. So without data, company can't thrive. Without data, company can't thrive. Company do the very big and emotionally driven decisions if they don't know what to do. So this is the all the tables. So this is the understanding of the all the tables. If we go for the order details, then order detail ID, then order ID, product ID, quantity of the product, how many quantity you purchased should be registered in the shop. If in a pharmaceutical company, if any person entered into the pharmaceutical space, this should be registered in the software. And then gate pass should be connected. Like what is the specification happen in the software? If we see in the detailed manner, then the more great thing is like Everything should be standardized. If the Aadhaar card number is given, if Aadhaar card photo is given one time, then it gives the idea that okay, this particular Aadhaar card is this particular person. So it just scan the biometric information uh, from the Aadhaar card, or just scan the number and increase the some certainty. Okay, this particular person has this particular ID. So in this way, the whole thing actually operates at a first glance. We In this way we will understand software as well. Any software work in this particular way. Now let's access one question. And what is a sample input and what is a sample output? So this is a sample input. Then it's order ID, customer ID, payment ID. How it looks like which table? Order ID, customer ID, payment ID, order ID. So it's an order table. The table is order table. Okay. And in output section, sample output, what is the table? Table is the order table. Yeah. So we have to do certain things with the order table with the help of SQL, query language, SQL. Uh, so let's get into the problem. So let's understand the problem. What it said to is print all the details of order. So we have to print entire table. Order which either have total order amount less than 5,000, or which will shipped by the shipper with ID 2, shipped by the shipper ID 2, with the shipper with the ID 2. If the ID is to sort your, and then we have to sort the entire thing, sort your output in ascending order of order ID. So let me try the solution, and then we will try to understand. Print all the details. So what we have to do? Select all. String suggests the name all in the SQL if you know these things. Then from which table? It's a table called as a order. If you see, it's a orders table. So case SQL is a case insensitive language. So we we can do anything with the case. We capitalize it, non-capitalize it, anything. Select all from orders. From orders. And if you see the more thing, then so what we have to do? The second task, order. Print all the details of order which either have the total amount order amount less than 5,000. Less total order amount is less than 5,000. Okay, 5,000. Yes. So why is this particular row is shown? Okay, where 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 total order amount is less than 5,000. If this condition is fulfilled, then we can print it. But if you see the in on the output table, what is written? 22,453. How this is possible? That's when the second conditions play into the picture. So either have a total order amount less than 5,000, or which were shipped by the shipper ID to. So so is this a less than 5,000? No, 22,453 is not less than 5,000. But if is the shipper ID is 2, yes. So that exception is generated because the shipper ID is 2. So or when we use the or data type, when we use the or operator, what actually happened? If any condition is true, it just prints. If any condition is true, if and is there, then all the conditions should be true. In the or section, any one condition is true is okay. So or shipper ID, shipper ID. I am not considering the case here because SQL is quite case insensitive language. So now what we have to do? We have to order by. We have to order and sort. So order by order ID in ascending order. Let's complete the query and let's submit the result. We get the answer or not. Hopefully it gives the marks. Certain thing is wrong. It looks like a certain thing is wrong. What particular thing can go wrong in this particular thing? Maybe we done some spelling mistake. We have to see this thing solve and solve together. Select all. Yeah. Print all the details of from order. No, it's ordered steel mill. So one mistake we done here, we give the wrong name. Now we have to submit it. Let's see it works or not. It's still not working. So how many mistake we done in this particular thing? We will see these things. Description. Print all the details of order which either have the total order amount less than 5,000. Yeah, which condition which we already given. Total order amount less than 5,000 or let's give the oh, or shipper ID SHIPPER. Shipper ID is 2 or which will have shipper shipped by the shipper with the ID 2. Okay. Order by. Which order by is the right syntax or not? I has to ask to the chat GPT if I not able to find it because it should pass. Which order by. What we mistake? Yes, 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 yes. Order by the order ID, but order ID is not in particular place. So the gap is there between the order IDs. This is the particular mistake I done. Let's submit it again. Hopefully it submit now. Fingers crossed. Yes, we got the 10 marks. Congratulations. So in this particular way, we solve the entire problems. So we shown a one problem solving, how we will approach the certain problems and how we will solve it with the help of SQL. So that's all from the video. We will get back into the next problem in a next day. So this particular video is already being so long. So my approach is like that. I am not want to do much long videos. Um, so in this particular video, what we learned how the industry work, how the software actually work, how different particular things are connected with each other. And this is the particular thing which we learned. So so that's all from my side. Let me stop sharing my screen. Yes. So hopefully this particular video is helpful for you. And if it is helpful for you, then please like, share, and subscribe. It will help me a lot. It encourages me a lot. So thank you so much for your love, support, and great enthusiasm. We will do a great videos together. And if you have any topic suggestions, then please give the comments on the comment section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you so much.